How to add money to TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your TikTok application and then simply go to your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Then go to the menu bar. Now go to balance. Now what you will have to do is in order to update, simply go to get coins and select what amount you want to recharge and then add your credit or debit card. You can also use PayPal or any redeem card if you have the option. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.